Struggling with tub surround caulking that keeps peeling off? You're not alone, and here's how to finally fix it for good without tearing out your whole bathroom. Okay, so first off, you gotta remove every bit of the old caulk. Like, seriously, every last scrap. Use a razor blade or a caulk remover tool and then clean the area with rubbing alcohol or acetone to get rid of all the grime and soap scum. Don't skip this step even if it feels like a pain. Next, pick a high-quality 100% silicone caulk, designed specifically for bathrooms, something mold and mildew resistant. When you're ready to apply, make sure the surface is completely dry because moisture kills adhesion. Use painter's tape on both sides of the seam for a clean line, then apply the caulk in one smooth motion like you're gliding it on. After that, smooth it out with a wet finger or a caulk finishing tool right away before it skins over. Let it cure fully for at least 24 hours without touching or splashing. Also, remind your kids to chill on jumping around the tub surround because constant pressure can break the seal no matter what. One of the biggest mistakes when sealing tub surrounds is not removing old caulk thoroughly. Leftover bits cause new caulk to peel off fast. Fix that by scraping and cleaning like a maniac before applying anything new. Another common issue is using the wrong type of caulk. Acrylic or latex just won't hold up in wet, high-movement areas. Switch to 100% silicone made for bathrooms to get real durability. Lastly, applying caulk on a damp surface makes it lose grip almost immediately, so always dry everything down before starting. These fixes seriously help keep your tub surround sealed tight for years. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for jobs like caulking or bathroom repairs.